Shouldn't you go to Palestine and help your brothers and sisters with their resistance? Let me give you a principle. Armies defeat armies, not individuals, not militias. So then the question comes, why haven't Muslim armies moved? The answer to this is that Muslim armies aren't actually representing Islam. They represent a nation state. Just look at the example of Egypt. Most of the Egyptian army is made up of Muslims. They share a border with Gaza, yet they still haven't opened up their borders because they don't see Palestine as a Muslim issue. They don't see it as their own issue. Look at Turkey. The president of Turkey, President Erdogan. Just weeks ago, he's sitting with Netanyahu, deepening his ties with this Zionist state. Look at Saudi Arabia. Mohammad bin Salman, again, trying to normalize ties with this belligerent state. Pakistan, one of the strongest armies of the Muslim world, done nothing. It's because these armies are there to protect their nation state's interests. And I remind you again, it's not upon us as individuals, because armies defeat armies. Individuals can put up a resistance, but to defeat an army, you need an army. So what's the MO? The MO here is that we must pressure the soldiers of the Muslim armies to move and break their line of command, because we know that the generals of these armies are corrupt, they're treacherous, and fundamentally they listen to whatever the West tells them. So we must give them that support and confidence to say, the Muslim Ummah is behind you, move and break the line of command. And if they don't move, then it is incumbent upon every single Muslim in this Ummah to call for an army that represents Islam, represents the Muslims, and is founded upon La ilaha illallah. That way you will see that army being deployed at every given moment when an oppressed Muslim needs them, just like the situation of Palestine.